One of Hollywood's greats. A name that is a synonym for greatness. A synonym? A synonym is a flavor. My favorite actress, Joan Crawford.
Edna St. Vincent Millay wrote Dirge Without Music after a dear friend of hers died. Her words describe, I believe, the spirit of the 2 million American men and women who are leading the fight against cancer. I am not resigned to the shutting away of loving hearts in the hard ground. So it is and so it will be, for so it has been. Time out of mind, into the darkness they go, the wise and the lovely. Crowned with lilies and with laurel they go, but I'm not resigned. Lovers and thinkers, into the earth with you. Be one with the dull, the indiscriminate dust, a fragment of what you felt, of what you knew, a formula, a phrase remains, but the best is lost. The answers quick and keen, the honest look, the laughter, the love, they're gone. They're gone to feed the roses. Elegant and curled is the blossom. Fragrant is the blossom, I know, but I do not approve. More precious was the light in your eyes than all the roses in the world. Down, down, down they go. Into the darkness of the grave, gently they go. The beautiful, the tender, the kind. Quietly they go. The intelligent, the witty, the brave. I know, but I do not approve. And I am not resigned.